Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego Halloween pumpkin for the Halloween season, which is obviously coming up very soon. So let's take it apart so I can show you how to build it. So now that I've taken apart everything that we're going to need, I'm going to show you so that you can gather up all your pieces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2x4s, 2 2x2 bird pieces plus 1 equals 3 plus 1 more equals 4, like that. And then we're going to need 1 green 2x2 inverted slope piece, and we're going to need 2 2x2 slope pieces that look like that. Then we're going to need 1 1x2 slopes, 2 1x1 cheese pieces, 1 1x4 piece, 2 2x2 pieces, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 yellow 1x2s and 2 orange 1x2s. So now we can get started building. So first you're going to need 2 2x2 inverted slopes. You're going to need to put a 2x4 down like that. Then you're going to need to place 2 more 2x4s on top of that to look like this. This will be the bottom of our pumpkin. Then get your 1x1 cheese pieces, put them here and here, like that. And then grab your 1x2 slope pieces, place them next to them, like this. Then place your 2 orange 1x2s, like this. So now you'll get the basic shape of a face. Then you're going to need to put some 2x4s on top of it. And now let's leave an indent at the bottom so that we can place this 1x4 right here. I'll show you why we'll need that later. Now it's time to make the scary eyes. So get your last 2 2x2 inverted pieces, put them there, and put 2 of your last 2 2x2s like that. Then put 2 more 2x2 slopes, and then put your last 2x4 like that. You'd think you're done by now, but now it's time to go back to the indent that we'd made earlier. build up with your 2 by 2. Build up 2 by 2 next to each other with 1 by 2 slopes. It should look about like that. So now, if you adjust the angle of your pumpkin, you can see some small bits of yellow. He kind of looks scary too. And now, let's add the top of the pumpkin with the pumpkin's leaf, like that. And that's how you make a scary Lego pumpkin with Lego pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!